Here's our 2018 Porsche 911 Turbo, finished in beautiful white with all the black accents. It has the PDLS Plus in black, so that's their $5,000 option headlight. Car also has a very rare feature, the Aero kit, that's painted in black, which looks stunning on the car. So all the front wing, the side spoilers, and the rear diffuser are all painted in black. Part of that is the air mirrors as well. You get them with the opening. Car has a black glass sunroof. Car's in perfect shape. It's a stunning color combination. Another feature that's part of the Aero kit is you get the more aggressive rear wing with the wing legs that go up, and top of the wing that expands is black, so are the vents here, and so is the more aggressive rear diffuser that's painted in black as well. On the inside, it has the two-tone interior, black on top with deviated red stitching, carbon fiber trim, black carpets, and red on the bottom. There's the deviated stitching. Car has a sports chrono package. It has the PSM Porsche Active Suspension Management. It's a Sports Chrono Plus. Still smells new. Car is pretty loaded. Has pretty much everything you can get on one of these. The sun is shining, so it doesn't really give it a good idea on the collar. One of the things that I forgot to mention is the front end also has a spoiler that extends when you put it in Sport Plus mode.